Okay, we're at the Caribbean Beach Resort. We're about to do a room tour of room 4608. We're on the Jamaica side. So here we go. This is 4608. Here's our guide.
Come on in. This is 4608. And we did some shopping already. We haven't unpacked. We got here and went straight to Disney Springs, and we did do some shopping. We got into our room. It was very nice and cool. Everything was, nice and clean. Didn't have to call anybody like I've done in the past. But in this area we have a little table. We can eat or bring something. We have a table. Normally we don't have a table. We also have a place to hang Mr. Jeremy's hats, which is really good. We have storage over here. Mine over here. We have the USB-C and also to plug in our phones with the cord.
She meant USB.
I'm sorry, USB.
So
you know,
we can
I'm not
charge.
techie. I'm not techie. But this is the most important part for me. I have coffee for the morning. This is something very important to me, or else I'm very grumpy. But here are drawers. It's got plenty of space. But like I said, we haven't unpacked. This is a refrigerator. It's hidden behind that. We have some drinks in there to keep it cool. And there's some more drawers here. More connections for your computers. And also when we came in, the fan was on. I just turned it off because it was cold. But there's 3 switches here. This one goes to this side, and this goes to the other side. Turn it back on. And the middle one is the fan, which goes really fast. But right now I have it off. Here's the controls. We had it at 68. I put it up to 74.
Which is kind of hot for her.
Yes. And these are barn doors,
That's
which
nice.
is really nice. Separates the bathroom. There's this chair for your luggage. Hanging rack. Hangers. Your ironing board. Your iron. Your safe. Double sink is what we like. And this is our bathroom.
Bathroom's a little tight. But
Yeah, it's a little tight. And then of course they have shampoo. It has a seal on it. Has been cleaned for you, so you can know that it's going to be clean because they put it on there.
And we have an extra pillow and blanket up here.
Yeah. And then of course we have a blow dryer down there. Pretty good size. I don't carry a blow dryer because normally I know they should have one in the hotels. So. But if you need anything, you can call down to the front desk or room service and they will get it. We just made a phone call to ask about our Wi-Fi, and they addressed us as is there anything that we can do for the Fletcher family at this moment. And of course I was asking about the Wi-Fi, so they're very, very polite also. And we also have a king-size bed, which is very comfortable. I got on it and it's comfortable. The pillows are very soft.
Very soft.
Might take some in my luggage. But I like the decorations. But it's really nice, really clean. It was really close to take the bus, the shuttle to Disney Springs. And it was, since we were out there 8 hours, it was really convenient to be here really close to come back to the hotel. Well, yeah, to the resort area.
Mm-hmm.
And tomorrow we'll head out to Hollywood Studios.
Disney Hollywood Studios.
Yes, and
So
that's
we
going to
can
be a
go
long
do
day.
Star Wars.
So that's the room.
And we do have a corner room. So if we open up the windows here, see we are right on the corner, facing the parking lot, but that's okay. So, let's see. this side. But
No special view.
no special view, but that's okay.
But all we do is sleep.
But I
don't
like
need a
the
view.
little decorative things they got in here. It's a little personal touch. So, and then they even have this playing
To tell
for you.
dates and times.
So on the TV, so that way it tells you when the park's open, when they close, what's going on, temperature. So very nice. Oh, and back here we even have some more USBs. You can see them right back there. So plenty.
I think they have some on your side too, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Besides the phone.
So, yeah.
It's time to
So
unpack.
we're gonna unpack. We're gonna get together. We're gonna see what tomorrow holds. We will have fun. Stay tuned. We'll see what it brings. See you on the next one. Bye.